Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use ChatGPT as an Arabic translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. To start, simply enter your Arabic text into the chat. Initiate the transformation by using the phrase "translate this in English" and then hitting enter. Observe the swift and precise English translation generated by ChatGPT, revealing the underlying essence of the Arabic words. However, the linguistic journey doesn't conclude there. If your curiosity drives you to seek the Arabic translation of an English phrase, the process maintains its consistent grace. Much like before, state, translate this to Arabic prior to inputting your desired English text. See how ChatGPT adeptly responds, seamlessly presenting the accurate Arabic translation. While ChatGPT's capabilities are truly remarkable, it is important to note that accuracy might vary, particularly in intricate contexts or when dealing with sensitive terminology. When confronted with significant matters, seeking a second opinion is a better step. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.